Hi, in this lecture I'm going to put some freckles or spots on the face. Now you can see it's very smooth looking and clean looking. So let's first bake this layer. So let's click on this bake all to get rid of that layer while you are still having the details of that layer. So now I'm going to put some spots. Again, you can put that on a layer, different layer. So let's create a layer. If you want to have different multiple layers, you can do that. So let's go to again choose that spray brush with that same alpha, which is by default alpha 08. These are by default alpha shapes with Zbrush. So let's select it, and now I'm going to put some freckles. So let's select a brown or red kind of color here, and these areas tends to, if you want to decrease the opacity of this color, you can change this RGB intensity. So let's decrease it down. Now you can see I can put very subtle effect. You can again change the brush size to get all those freckles bigger or smaller. And turn up the symmetry. I don't want this exact same thing. And we have this on the layer. Again, we have the ability to go ahead and decrease the opacity later as well. So we can paint like this. Again, we can paint some blue tone, or just drag it like this, and we can put some on the face areas here as well. And you can change this spray to drag. If you want to just drag in a few area, you can just do that. You don't have to use the spray. With the drag, it's very easy to scale the scale it to the appropriate size. Here you can scale that. Okay, something like this. Again, on top of this, you can smooth all these details a little bit if you want to. So I'm stopping this lecture here. In the next lecture I'm going to paint this eye, so we're going to see that in the next lecture.